in morning 5 a.m. and his death certificate was signed by Dr. Jar. And few interesting thing I want to tell about Hanuman was that his wife was very greedy. So the coffin she got made when they were carrying the coffin, it stuck with the wall when the labor was carrying it, and she scolded the labor
अच्छा इसका तो
that
मजा दो चला
scolded the labor that what you are doing, it is so costly and you are stucking it with the wall. And the grave in which actually Hanuman was buried, there were already two bodies in it. And because she didn't wanted to spend some more money, it was later that some American homeopaths and have visited, and not American but German homeopaths from Schwabe visited and saw the uh, grave, and then it was informed to all over homeopathic fraternity, and they shifted it to present memorial, and special memorial was built by the homeopaths, especially American homeopaths. That was done. And regarding his childhood, uh, everybody knows he was very intelligent, and the teachers in the school where he studied, School of Saint Ephra, they said that he's very intelligent and he should continue with the study, and they refused to take the fees, etc., for him. And we all know he knew 14 languages, and in spite of the fact that he read about the Cullen in Cullen's Materia Medica about cinchona bark, he didn't shout to the word like Archimedes that I have discovered this principle. He was very scientific man, so he kept on doing experiments for 6 years, and in 1796 he declared to the world that this is the principle of homeopathy. And then in 1805 he wrote Organon, and then he declared.
कॉफी पी के जाना आ जाएगा अभी तक
So that is his, and also, I mean, he has done a lot of work in forensic medicine also. Like some tests were used for arsenic and all that, which were used in toxicology. So he was a person with who was versatile and had done a lot of things in other fields also. And one thing I want to emphasize, whatever he has written in Organon is still valid. People have tried to change the wordings and theories, and but still nobody has been able to change whatever he has written, and it is being still followed all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I invite Dr. Dheeraj, a renowned homeopath and an integral executive member of IIHP, to start with the pledge-taking ceremony.
Am I audible properly?
Yeah,
yes
yes.
Hahnemanian Memorial Pledge, Commitment to Pure Homeopathy. अभी जहां से मैं फर्स्ट कहूंगा वहां से we will repeat. We stand today in respectful remembrance of the founder of homeopathy and solemnly pledge. Now we all of us will repeat. I shall uphold
I shall uphold
the science,
the science,
philosophy,
philosophy,
and art of homeopathy
and art of homeopathy
in their purity
in their purity
and integrity.
and integrity.
I shall remain
I shall remain
faithful to its
faithful to its
eternal principles
eternal principles
and never
and never
knowingly deviate
knowingly deviate
from its fundamental
from its fundamental
doctrines
doctrine,
for,
doctrines
per- for personal gain,
for personal gain,
personal gain,
convenience,
convenience,
or popularity.
or popularity.
I shall neither
I shall neither
neither
practice
practice
nor promote
nor promote
cross-pathy
cross-pathy
or irrational mixing
or irrational mixing
of therapeutic systems,
of therapeutic systems,
thereby preserving
thereby preserving
the distinct identity,
distinct identity,
scientific character,
scientific character,
and professional dignity
and professional dignity
of homeopathy.
of homeopathy.
I shall practice
I shall practice
with, with honesty,
honesty,
compassion,
compassion,
humility,
humility,
and ethical responsibility,
and ethical responsibility,
placing the welfare of
placing the welfare of
my patients
my patients
above all personal interests,
above all personal interests,
inspired by the
inspired by the
spiritual,
spiritual
ethical,
ethical
and cultural
and cultural
heritage of Bharat.
heritage of
Bharat.
Bharat.
I shall uphold
I shall uphold
truth,
Truth,
service,
service,
discipline,
discipline,
and compassion
and compassion
in my professional life.
in my professional life.
life.
As a proud Bharatiya,
As a proud Bharatiya,
I pledge to contribute
I pledge to contribute
to the advancement,
to the advancement,
scientific growth,
scientific growth,
global recognition,
recognition,
and prosperity of
and prosperity of
Bharatiya homeopathy
the
through education,
education,
research,
research,
clinical excellence,
clinical excellence,
and selfless service.
and selfless service.
I shall honor
I shall honor
my teachers,
my teachers,
inspire my students,
inspire my students,
support my colleagues,
support my colleagues,
and preserve the
and preserve the
noble legacy
global legacy
of our profession.
of our profession.
May my thoughts
May my thoughts
remain pure,
remain pure,
my conduct ethical,
my conduct ethical,
my knowledge
my knowledge
ever expanding,
ever expanding,
and my dedication
and my dedication
to homeopathy
to homeopathy
unwavering.
unwavering.
I dedicate
I dedicate
my knowledge,
my knowledge,
character,
character,
and life to the
and life to the
service of humanity
service of humanity
through pure
through pure
homeopathy,
homeopathy.
and I shall strive
And I shall strive
to leave this science
to leave this
stronger than
stronger than
I inherited it.
inherited it.
This is my solemn pledge
This is my solemn pledge
before my conscience,
before my conscience,
my teachers,
my teachers,
my profession,
my profession,
and my mother hand.
and my
motherland.
motherland.
जय भारत, जय होम्योपैथी.
जय भारत.
Jai
Jai
Bharat, Jai
Jai
Homeopathy.
homeopathy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
एक मिनट जरा रुक जा जरा आ रहे हैं.
Thank you, sir, for the pledge taking ceremony. I request Dr. Mukesh to please say few words and end of the session.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you everyone for joining, and it was it is very important for us that we follow this pledge and implement in our practice and in our life. And thanks to all who joined, and we will try to follow all the guidance given by our master Dr. Hahnemann in our life, in practice, and patient care. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
सर एक
Thank you.
सजेशन है मेरा, हम
Sir.
इसको एक प्रिंट करा के प्लेज को और इसको फ्रेम करा के अपने अपने वर्क प्लेसेस में लगा सकते हैं.